Hi, everyone. My name is Josh Lenz, and today I'm excited to introduce to you AthleteLink, a platform designed to connect talent to opportunity through data driven sports recruitment. Every year, countless talented athletes slip through the cracks, not because they lack ability, but because they lack exposure. AthleteLink is a centralized recruitment platform where athletes can showcase verified stats, upload highlights, track performance, and connect directly with coaches and scouts. Our mission is very simple. We want to level the playing field and make athlete recruitment fair, data driven, and accessible. The problem is simple, but it is very significant. Talented athletes get overlooked not because of ability, but because of access. Our research found that 72% of athletes struggle to gain online visibility, and 65% rely on Instagram, which isn't designed for athletic evaluation. Scouting is still manual, biased, and often based on who you know. Underfunded athletes, especially from smaller towns, fall behind. This aligns with our secondary research that shows inequality in youth sports comes from lack of exposure and resources, not lack of talent. So, like I said, the problem is not talent. The problem is access, credibility, and equal opportunity. AthleteLink solved this by giving every athlete a verified, searchable profile. They can upload highlight videos, performance metric, and wearable data where scouts can use filters and AI-powered recommendation engine to find the right talent. Sponsors can also identify athletes who align with their brand. It transforms subjective gatekeeping in a data-driven, accessible system. This flowchart shows how it works. Athletes who currently lack visibility create an athlete link profile. Their stats are verified. The algorithm recommends matches to scouts, and scouts can message them directly. This creates more exposure and more opportunities, especially for athletes who would otherwise be overlooked. The market for this solution is massive. The global sports technology market is valued at 34.25 billion today and is projected to reach almost 69 billion in 2030. There are over 52 million amateur athletes alone in North America, and research shows that Gen Z athletes increasingly rely on digital channels for performance tracking and exposure. This is a growing market that is actively looking for a solution like AthleteLink. Our target users include three primary groups. First, amateur athletes aged 15 to 25, the core market that needs this exposure. Second, scouts and coaches looking for a more efficient, data driven way to evaluate talent. And third, sports brands and sponsors seeking credible, analytical, and analytics backed athlete partnerships. To validate the opportunity, I conducted a primary research survey with amateur athletes. The results were very clear. 80% said they would use a verified recruitment platform, 60% said they lack access to scout or recruiting events, and over 70% said fairness and transparency are very important. And more than half rely on social media but find it ineffective. Their top requested features were highlight uploads, analytics, and verification. Exactly what AthleteLink offers. Overall, the data strongly validates the problem, solution, and market demand. AthleteLink operates on a freemium model. Basic athlete accounts are free, while premium subscriptions offer advanced analytics for around $5 per month. Scouts pay a subscription for deeper search tools. Other revenue streams include sponsorship matching fees, advertising partnerships, and event commissions. This diversified model creates stable, scalable revenue. Why is this the right moment right now for AthleteLink? There's three reasons. First, Gen Z expects data verified profile. Second, wearable tech and AI analytics are now widely accessible. Third, there's still a massive gap between sports and modern digital recruitment. And finally, equity in sports is a growing conversation. AthleteLink directly addresses that gap. This is why it's a perfect moment for AthleteLink. Platforms like Huddle and NCSA exist, but none combine verified analytics, AI recommendations, scout search tools, and sponsor matching in one place. AthleteLink's competitive advantage is its holistic approach. It doesn't just store video, it connects athletes to real opportunities. Our marketing strategy is simple. It focuses on partnering with local leagues and schools, running targeted social media campaigns, hosting free exposure events, and giving early scouts discounted onboarding. This multi channel approach helps us build trust quickly while growing our user base. So, the team is basically myself. I played hockey my entire life, played football for over 10 years, including at the university level, and I've also coached both sports as well. I understand athletes. I understand their challenges and what recruiters look for. My experience bridges sports, leadership, and technology, giving me a unique insight into building AthleteLink the right way. In year one, our MVP target would be 1,000 athletes. In year two, we'd like to scale up to 10,000 athletes and onboard sponsors. By year three, we'd like to break even through freemium upgrades, subscriptions, and sponsorship based revenue. Thank you for taking the time. AthleteLink isn't just an app, it's a chance to level the playing field for athletes everywhere. I'm excited about the future of this project and I'm happy to answer any questions.